Hi, my name's Katherine. I'm a senior stylist here at Verde Salon, and today I'm going to be showing you how to create this updo with us jaw clip. Hi, today I'm going to be showing you how to do an easy updo with one of our jaw clips. So I'm going to start out with one of our Birch accessories clips. You're going to gather all your hair to the back of your head. I like to pull out a few pieces in front of my face, turn around so you guys can see a little better. Just like a ponytail. So you're going to take one hand, grab the ponytail. With your other hand, you're going to be holding the end of the ponytail. And then you're going to twist it counterclockwise just with your finger, keeping it nice and tight with your head. Don't worry if it's feeling too tight. We're going to go in and loosen it up afterwards. Then you're going to grab your jaw clip and then just clip that right into the hair there. Make sure it's nice and secure. You can leave it like this if you like it looking a little bit tighter, but what I like to do is just take the hair, pull it apart a little bit. I kind of just go by feel, pull it over my ears. I'll come back to the front. See how I like the hair that's in the front here as well. And pull down a few. And that's the style. And then we're going to finish off the style with a little bit of our air control hairspray. Just spray it down, make sure everything's nice and secure. You can spray it over your bun as well. I also like to take a little bit in my hands and then just run it through the front little pieces. Just no frizz or flyaways. Subscribe for more tutorials and see the description box below for all of the products.